Hey everyone, today I'm sharing a simple and easy egg fried rice recipe. You just need a few ingredients and you can make this restaurant style fried rice in under 10 minutes. Of course, you'll need some rice, and you can use some leftover rice from the day before or cook some the night or the morning before. Make sure it's dry and not too sticky and soft, unless that's the way you like it. Chop the carrots and the onion into small cubes. Chop the peppers and the scallion or chive and grate or chop the ginger and garlic. Now crack the eggs. Add salt and beat the eggs. And I like being a little extra and using chopsticks for this. To a wok on medium-high heat, add some oil or butter or a combination of both. Now add the eggs in. Scramble until it's cooked to your preference, and for fried rice, I like when it gets a little bit crispy, so I'm frying it until it's slightly brown. Once it's finished, remove from the wok and set aside. Add some more oil to the wok and add the frozen green peas first. And I'm adding the peas first because it was frozen. I want most of that water to burn off because when I add the rice, I don't want it to get too soggy. After frying for about 2 minutes, add the carrots and let it fry for another 2 minutes. Now add the onion, ginger, garlic, hot peppers and seasoning peppers. Fry it for about a minute again and add the rice in. Mix thoroughly to get everything combined. Now add the scrambled eggs and mix well. Add the soy sauce now, and you want to add it to the sides of the pot, not on top of the rice. By doing this, the soy sauce gets evenly distributed in the rice. Mix well and taste it. So I always like to add the salt after I add the soy sauce, and at this point just add salt to your preference. Add some freshly cracked black pepper and give it another mix. To finish, add some sesame oil, and you also want to add this to the sides of the wok. Mix it in and turn the heat off. Finish with some chopped scallion, or what we call chive in Trinbago. Now your fried rice is ready to be served. I ate mine with some pepper wings, and you can find the recipe link in the description box below. Of course, I was being extra again, and I ate the fried rice with chopsticks. A few things I'll mention about the recipe. You can add other ingredients like celery, corn, mushrooms, broccoli, bean sprouts, bodi or long bean, and other veggies you like. You can also add seafood or meat or even tofu or soya, or you can even omit the egg and keep it really simple. And if you want to cook the rice right before making the fried rice, then boil it or cook it in a rice cooker and spread it flat out onto a tray so that it cools quickly. Overcooking the rice will just make the fried rice soggy and sticky. Thank you so much for spending time in the kitchen with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you ring that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. See you next time. Bye!